been solving Rubik's Cubes for about 6 years, and I've been to 17 competitions, including the World Championships in Las Vegas last year. And my act, you may have never seen this before, and part of the reason is that it's never been attempted here at the University of Waterloo before. So, without further ado, I'll get started slowly for now. So this cube has been scrambled. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't look at the scramble. Alright, so now I'm going to have my assistant Forte here. And he's going to scramble this cube without me looking. And in a moment, I'm going to turn around, take it, and I'll start the second half of my act.